Hey guys, I'm back. So, basically I did not even film a Groovepad tutorial, which is genuine trap, because I was into a stupendous anger situation. Because I could regret it soon after, like, it was like out of control. So, I'll record something else besides genuine trap, but if I can record it on Thursday or Friday or Saturday, Sunday, whatever, I'll make it part of it because I will deal with this. Anyways, we are going to do this next song, and I will skip to that because I did not even film this Groovepad tutorial at all. So, today's song is Euphoria. And usually it's like a EDM music or like a different type of the world or like the land song. And I'm not very dimensional for this. I need to have a positive reinforcement for my amount of supervised benefits on partial claims on this. And usually I'll get the hang of this. So yeah. Well, let's get started. We're going to start with lesson 1. It's pretty obvious. Alright, lesson 1. What's the kick thing for? Oh, that's randomly like a kick beat sound. That's intentionally a random size thing that you can kick in. I'm in full strength mode. So that was the basics. I just did it with the cord and the pad. That's in full strength, length, side, or whatever. Try and have good institution. And please be sure to at least try to generate yourself and not even try to have a single dimension. I'm only allowed to have a different single dimension for this. Usually I try to be prevented, and I will have multiple skills on my full institution. Try to regret things soon after. It's a full policy. Yeah, it is. Are you ready to start lesson 2? Yes, I am. Lesson 2. Now we're snarling for this. This beat is too sick, bro. It's like slick prevention. I was a little debted to this. And honestly, I care for my potential strength, possibilities, or whatever. So let's start with lesson 3. Here we go. I don't know what Euphoria is all about, but we can paraphrase the concepts of the land that we usually see, like the forest. Or we can initially see the snow. I can't remember. I don't paraphrase the concepts to what I know about Euphoria. I try to have a legitimation. So every single path needs to be a little personalized. Okay, lesson 4. Alright, make sure I slowly tap on these color-coded pads when I try to make my beats segregatedly. To make sure I'm not accidentally polishing my bad things, to not always want to do things in a certain way. I can partially get too illegal or frustrated or being crucial or not want to do things in a certain direction. I can go directly above my limits and going above and beyond things. And yeah. Oh, I see McDonald's. Don't have any money for McDonald's. I don't exactly have it, for sure. Alright, so let's start with the 5th lesson. Tired. But you know, I just posted Afrobeat, Afro House, dubstep stop sense, dubstep machine, chill trap, concrete jungle, Imaginaria, and all the other songs that I posted since last few weeks ago. And I randomly occurred my limits to make sure I have more contract than ever. And we can do this more often. Yeah, sure. We can do this more often. But anyways, let's go to lesson 6. I'm doing way too good at this. Even though these songs just sound like randomly unique and try to slightly rearrange my good pronounces. Just to make sure I'm not accidentally screwing this up. We're doing it way too roughly instigated. Okay, lesson 7. This is too easy to believe how much strategy to enhance my possibilities. Try to have single comprehension to this. Or to be more legible, not just to do it more efficiently. I'll do more efficiently than that. So here we go. Almost finished, you guys. Just a few more lessons and then we'll move on to the next song. Okay, lesson 8. Let's start. Here we go. Alright, I'm regarding you. So do you think you should try to retain more accomplishments in order to establish good execution? And try to man, not just to make sure you manage yourself. I'm sorry. That's just a proper way not to even say things like this. Oh, I get it. Okay, go ahead and finish your lesson. I'm not allowed to talk to you. Go ahead. I will. Lesson 9. Oh, yeah. Almost compliantly try to endorse this. That's a simple task. Reinforcement. Please enhance your strategy even more, you guys. that's rearrangeable, try to arrangeable, and try to assume more multitask using this Groovepad app. Okay, last lesson 10. So here we go. Let's do it. Alright, even though the main thing that I need to do is to let these loops go slightly a little slow, and then they go faster at one time in the day. I hear the washer whirling. No worries, we can't forget about that. But anyways, we finally accomplished the goal by completing lessons 10 through 10 on every Groovepad songs and lots of soundtracks, I believe. Tomorrow we'll do D&B movement. So this is going to be a full-time lesson, the way it should be pronounced. Bigger events. So this is the beat, and this is the lead, the bass, the synth, and the vox. Well, typically they're vox, like the vocals, that they go all partially below your voice a little bit. And now we are getting some lessons. That's lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4, lesson 5, lesson 6, lesson 7, lesson 8, lesson 9, and lesson 10. So that's all the lessons. So we're gonna get the hang of it. We're gonna do this right away. And then more songs coming soon. So let's hope we can post Genuine Trap next Thursday, next time, whatever. But yeah. Anyways, let me close the video out. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know which song do you think I should do on Groovepad next. So let's hope we should post Genuine Trap to be genuine and kind to others, and not let your whole entire life get ruined or sudden or brief. So let me know in the comments. Bye.